Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Air Bnb is an online marketplace and hospitality platform that connects individuals who have available accommodations with travelers seeking short-term rentals. Hosts can list their properties, whether it's a spare room, apartment, or an entire house, providing details about the location, amenities, and pricing. Travelers can search for listings based on their preferences and book the accommodations directly through the Airbnb platform. Airbnb has grown into a global phenomenon, offering a diverse range of accommodation options in multiple countries. From budget-friendly options to luxurious rentals, Airbnb caters to various travel needs and budgets. Additionally, Airbnb has expanded beyond accommodations and now offers experiences where local hosts provide unique activities and tours to enhance travelers' experiences in their destination. Owning an Airbnb property can offer several benefits. Here are the advantages of being an Airbnb host. Extra income. Renting out your property on Airbnb allows you to generate additional income. By leveraging the platform's global reach, you can attract a steady stream of guests, especially if your property is located in a popular destination or has unique features that make it stand out. Flexibility and control. As an Airbnb host, you have the flexibility to decide when to make your property available for bookings. This control enables you to adjust your listing's availability based on your personal schedule, maximizing rental income while still maintaining the option to use the property for yourself or for friends and family. Short-term rentals. Airbnb specializes in short-term rentals, which means you can rent out your property for a few nights, weeks, or even months, depending on your preference. This flexibility allows you to accommodate various guest needs, from tourists looking for a vacation rental to business travelers seeking a temporary home away from home. Rental price control. With Airbnb, hosts have the freedom to set their own rental prices based on factors such as demand, seasonality, and local market conditions. This control allows you to optimize your earnings and adjust pricing strategies as needed to attract guests and maximize occupancy rates. Enhanced property security. Hosting on Airbnb generally involves a verification process for both hosts and guests, which can help provide an additional layer of security. Moreover, Airbnb offers a host guarantee program that provides coverage for certain damages, providing peace of mind and financial protection for property owners. Networking and cultural exchange. Hosting guests from around the world can offer a unique opportunity for cultural exchange and networking. Interacting with diverse guests can broaden your horizons, foster connections, and even lead to new friendships or business opportunities. Property maintenance and upkeep. Renting your property on Airbnb can incentivize you to keep your property well maintained and in good condition. Regular cleaning and upkeep become essential aspects of hosting, ensuring positive guest experiences and higher ratings, which can attract more bookings. Insights and analytics. Airbnb provides hosts with valuable insights and analytics about their property's performance, including booking rates, guest reviews, and market trends. These data can help hosts make informed decisions, such as adjusting pricing, improving amenities, or enhancing the guest experience to optimize their listing's success. It's important to note that owning and managing an Airbnb property also comes with responsibilities, including understanding local regulations, addressing guest needs, and managing the logistics of hosting. If you haven't already, We encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment.
Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.